Everyone, I hope all are doing good. Stay safe, stay home. Welcome back to our channel. Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Today our topic is system call. A system call is a mechanism that provides the interface between the process and the operating system. It provides the interface between a process and the operating system. It is known as system call. It offers the services of the operating system to the user program via application programming. Whenever the programs applications are performing any operations in system calls, it provides an output through the application programming interface. Why we need system calls in OS? Reading and writing from the files demand the system calls. If a file system wants to create or delete file, system calls are required. Because when you are editing or reading the file, it will goes to the system. It will interface with application programming, and it will goes to the system calls, and we can be able to read or write anything in that file. System call works. It is divided into two modes: user mode, kernel mode. User mode contains 3 parts. Kernel mode contains 1 part. User process execution. It is known as process. It is known as operating system. User process execution gets system call, written from the system call, execute system call. First, user program execution. It will execute in the user mode till the system call interrupt. Till the system call takes an instruction from the user process. Till that it will execute this process. Then it will go to the get system calls. It will perform in the kernel mode and returns it to the user mode. It will return the execution, whatever the execution part we have done in this, it will go to the return from the system calls. It will execute the instruction and give it to the user. System calls. There are 5 types of system calls. Types of system: process control, file management, device management, information maintenance, communication. It will perform all the operation which were done in the system calls. First one, process control. The system calls perform the task of a process creation, termination. These functions are end and abort, load and execute. It performs the task and it will create the operation or terminate. Terminate in the sense execution operation. File management. File management handles file manipulation jobs like creating a file, reading a file and writing a file. It will totally perform the files. This method: create a file, delete a file, open and close a file. Device management. Device manipulations, it will perform like reading from the device buffer and writing into device buffer. Whatever we can read, it will come from the device buffer, and whatever we write, it goes to the device buffer. This function request and release device, get and set device available. Will request for the reading and will release for the writing. It handles information and it transfer between the OS and the user program. It handles the information, it will transfer between the OS and user. In the sense, OS will whatever the information are stored by the OS and will give back to the users. Because what we give the instruction, it will go to the OS. So it will give again, it will give information, it will give back to the user. Function get or set time and date. It will store some information in default. If we go and set it the time and date, it will give the time and date information to us. Communication, specially used for inter-process communication. Communication is all we know well about it. Inter-process communication. It will send and receive message, attach or detach remote devices. In the sense, attach or detach remote device means whatever the information is stored by the IP address, WAN, LAN, MAN, whatever the network, social network, some etc. It are attach or detach. Means attach means will connect or disconnect. Send and receive. What we are going to send and we are going to receive the messages. It is known as inter-process communication. Comes under the communication. Thank you.